What it do, young money's? It's your boy Bo again. Once we get to the shop, I'll go and show you what came in. Alright, so we're here at the shop and I just picked up the package. And here it is, guys. Ooh. What do y'all think it is? Shit's heavy as fuck. It's 40 kilos. It's almost like 80 pounds. Well, this is our 11-point roll cage. Looks like your boy is not going to run any back seats, so ain't nobody gonna be sitting back there anyways. All right, so I finally put the roll cage together and let's take a look. This thing is gonna be insane. Oh yeah. What do you guys think? So if you guys like where this build is going, please give us a thumbs up. Wow. Yeah, this is gonna be insane. So I'm gonna see if we could, most likely this bar right here is gonna stop the back seats from being put in. So if I do want to put the back seats in, I might have to take that bar out. I think that's what I'll have to do if I want to leave the back seats in. So other than that, super cool, super awesome. Can't wait to throw it on the R34 once it gets back from paint, of course. Maybe I'll mock it up now and put all the mounting hardware and drill the holes before it goes to paint. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed our content and I'll see you guys next episode. Have a good day.